Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never seen me before. My name is Lindy. I'm happy to have you here. I'm a senior at the University of Mississippi. I do college lifestyle, fashion, beauty, editing, that kind of thing over here. Whatever else I can come up with, vlogs, you know how it is. Okay, so today's video is all about how I style hair accessories. I love right now wearing any type of hair accessory. I have 5 different categories here that I want to go over and discuss all the different ways that you can wear them, my favorite places to get them, all of the above. This is my bucket of hair accessories. As of today, I ran out of room, so I had to rehome them all. Alright, so we're gonna start off with berets because that's on the top of my bucket. So I have, what is this, 5 berets. As you can see, some still have the tags on them because I've gotten them recently. As for berets, I like to get ones that are wool or wool blends because those are the nicer ones. Those are the thicker ones. Those are going to lay the best on your head. So that's pretty much my guideline. And then as for berets, all but these 2 are from H&M. And these are my favorites. Orange and the gray are newer. And the cream I've worn the crap out of. I have worn this so much this year. If there's one color I recommend to you, it's cream. And then the other 2, which are a little bit more saturated colors, get this, they are customized. Okay, so there's a store in St. Louis, which any of y'all are from St. Louis, this is in the Hill area. The store is called Daily Disco. Sweetest girls work at Daily Disco. I love them. Okay, so this one I got myself, and I also got my friend Lauren one for Christmas. So mine says Hustle, and I got her one that says Fashionably Late. And then my mom got me this one for Christmas, and it says Hottie Toddy, which is Ole Miss's like war cry, if you're not aware. You can wear berets literally in, any way. And I think that they're something that intimidate a lot of people, but they shouldn't. So I'm going to show you how I would style them and all the different ways you can wear them. There's something super easy to wear. They dress up a casual outfit. Like you can wear all sweats, cool pair of tennis shoes or Doc Martens and like a beret and be like top notch. I've been loving them. Also, I don't really wash my hair. so I've been loving them for my dirtier hair days. Like right now, I think I'm on day 3 or 4. I'm getting a little greasy, but today would be the perfect day for a hair accessory because it covers it up. Okay, so I'm gonna show you first of all my trusty cream beret. When I first started wearing berets, okay, a couple months ago, this is the way that I always wore them. So I will go for a deep side part on whichever side you want, and then find the tags, so it's like the back of the beret. Put that towards the back of your head, and then pull the beret towards the side that you the side that you had the hair on. I tuck this side behind my ear. And that is way number 1. And also if you have like a big statement earring and you want to wear a beret, this is a good way to show it off. I think this is like a fancier way of wearing a beret in my opinion. So this is like, I'll show you a more casual way. We'll do the Hottie Toddy beret. Oh no, we won't. That doesn't look so hot with this shirt. We'll do gray. Okay, so say I have 2 bigger earrings on, or this could even be just casual studs or like small hoops like I have on now, which by the way, I love these. These are by an Instagram boutique called Auburn Market, and they look like little David Yurman hoops, don't they? I have a David Yurman ring that looks just like these. Let me put it on and show you. So here's my David Yurman ring. This was a gift from my boyfriend years ago. I think senior year of high school maybe. There we go. So now, compare this. Pretty good, not too shabby. So anyway, that's off topic. Okay, so for this like more casual look with the beret, I do a middle part and then put the front of my hair, gosh, there's like a hair in my eye. Put the hair behind my ears and put it on the back of my head. So putting the beret right like 3 fingers back and then just kind of making sure that it's like on there. And that's how I would wear it. And when you have it like this, you could also do a low pony in the back or a low bun super easily. So say your hair's not looking too fresh, but you want to wear a cute fit, kind of dress it up, elevate it. Beret, low bun, that's the look. And even if you did want to use some dry shampoo, I used Dry Bar Triple Sec the other day and did this hairstyle, and the front of my hair looked, I'm telling you, clean. It looked cleanly. That stuff smacks. I just want to show you one of these on because I love Daily Disco so much, so okay. Let's try it with the middle part, but over the forehead. Okay, like is that not adorable? Be honest here, let's be honest. Like you can literally put it on the forehead and pull most of the beret fabric to the back. You can have it just up, you can have it to the right, you can have it to the left. Like I'm telling you guys, any way that you want to wear these babies. Just situate it to where it looks good with your outfit and your hair, and you're good to go. Okay, so now the next topic is headbands. I am loving headbands this year, especially padded headbands. The only headbands I have, except for one, are padded headbands, so. While I was taking my headbands out, I realized that's a lie. I actually have 2 headbands that aren't padded. we'll start off with those. So my two not padded headbands are this one, which is like a pearl headband, and then this one, which is a super warm, goldeny, knotted headband. Velvet, did I say that? Shiny velvet. These are super easy to wear. By the way, both of these are from Amazon. So this is like the easiest style I think to get into. It's not like very aggressive of a headband. So for this one, there's two ways that I mainly would wear it. And the first one is with my hair just like this, middle part. Take this baby. There you go. And you know, I didn't really think it matched the sweater, but it kind of looks cute like this. What y'all think? I think it looks pretty cute. So the other way is to tuck behind the ears, take the headband, and also something that I feel like people always have problems with is like their ears poking out, and that's, I feel like, comes whenever you put the headband, like these little babies, right behind the ears, like it pushes them forward. But I will usually push it back so that way these, like the headband legs, aren't touching my ears. And then, oh god, look, I put it in an angle like this so that these aren't touching my ears, but so that this isn't too far back. Y'all see that? So that's the other way. Easy, simple, dresses you up, can kind of camouflage the dirty hair moment. Also, this looks great with a low pony or low bun. This one I do like to use like as a normal headband, pushing my hair back. I kind of roll it backwards and then push forward to get some volume in front, and then sometimes I'll pull up some hair in front of my ears or a few pieces on the top. I do have a shorter bangs cut. Oops. That's like mainly how I wear the pearl headband. Since this pearl headband has a bigger pearl in the middle, it kind of has a similar shape to the knot. So you could also do just like that. You could do a little behind the ear action. I think that's adorable. I love the pearl headband. It makes everything so girly. So fun. Imagine this for if you were like the bride going to like your bachelorette like function perhaps, or like maybe you work this into your rehearsal dinner moment, or maybe even you work it into like an engagement party moment. Adorable. I love it. Okay, so next up are my padded babies. I have these two. They're also from Amazon. Amazon has so many. They have packs with like a bunch of different colors in them. I'll link obviously all of these down below. So these are a little tougher to wear at first, but you get used to it and it's fine. I always love them on other people, put them on myself, not so sure, but I always disagree and people are like, oh, I could never pull it off. I'm like, yes, you could. Put it on and walk out of the house. You've pulled it off. Congrats. All it takes is confidence. So let's do it. In 2020, we're not dogging on ourselves. We're not taking ourselves down. Absolutely not. Not here. Again, middle part headband. Pull the hair out from the middle part. I don't really do this as much, but you could do it. My fave though with these is to push back the hair, push it forward. But again, only pushing the top forward and keeping these feet, legs of the headband away from your ears so your ears lay flat. And you can pull out little baby hairs if you want. And I love this just because it's such an easy way to make your outfit look like elevated, because I feel like when you have the basics of an outfit, your outfit can be great, but then whenever you add an accessory like a hat or a headband, or I'm popping all my fingers, a scarf in your hair, it just really like, it finalizes it, it seals it, you know? Let me just show you this hot pink one on because it's adorable. So cute. Okay, so next up are my embellished padded headbands. These are my favorites. This is probably my peak. This is the pinnacle. This is my #1 favorite hair accessory of right now. So these are the three that I have. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's start with this one. This one is black padded. This one's actually a little bit smaller than the other two. So if you were like just trying to start out a little bit nervous, maybe you have a smaller head than me. I have a pretty big head, so I can like put a lot of stuff on it, you know, and I kind of have big hair, so it all works. But this one's a little bit smaller if you were like trying to relax a little bit more. As you can see, there's like the shape comparison. So this one is from Boohoo. I'll link it. It has diamante, diamond little rhinestones all over it. So fun. It's like a freaking tiara. Fun to wear out. Maybe you're having a greasy moment but you're trying to go out. Girl, I've been there. I'm always there. Put this baby on, ready to go. Adorable. And you can wear these all the same way as the other ones I showed you, but I just want to try them all on because they're so freaking cute. These next two I actually just gotten today. They're by Perpetual Shade. I'll link their site and everything, and they also have a 20% off code. It's Lynn Shady if you guys want to get anything on their website for 20% off. Let's try this one on just without actually pulling any hair back. Ooh, that looks cute like that. What do y'all think? I think yes. Beautiful light pink velvet with all the jewels on it. She's a freaking beaut. I love her. Oh my god, I already know that I love this. Okay, so now on to section 3, I have hair wraps. This is new for me. This is something new for me. These are also from Perpetual Shade. They sent these babies over and I'm excited to show you guys how they work. I already unwrapped this one, or took this one off the package because it's like hot pink velvet, so you already know I had to see what that was all about. Coral, pink velvet, cheetah. That'll be cute with my sweater right now. Gray, like almost checked pattern. This is like a pink and green palm print. Super fun for spring and summer. This is like the same as the gray print, but this one's like a light mauvey pink color. And then this one is also like a millennial pink with the white and black stripes. So I want to try out this one because this is like the fabric like some of the other ones, and the velvet. Okay, so they have a bunch of different examples of how you can use this on Perpetual Shade's Instagram and website, but I'm just going to show you a few. So for starters, let's take this baby around the head, or I mean neck, wherever this is. Alright, pull it all the way out so it's straight. And there's one wire in this. So, okay. I'm gonna pull it up and place it like where I would put my headbands. I can't see what I'm doing because I don't have a freaking mirror right here. Hi everyone. Alright, so. There we go. Alright, and we know I like some volume, so I'm just trying to kind of pull apart and make sure it's as big as it can be. There we go. I'm gonna zoom you back out. As you can see now, I just have this little like top knot headband. Would this not be great for the pool? I think it would be. Let me find a scrunchie. Say you wanted to put your hair up, you're sunbathing, ooh, or a bun, one of these types of moments. Full side. You could also treat this like a scarf. I'll do that with this one just to show a different one. Okay, I'm gonna separate my hair like 3 inches back and then behind the ears. Try to separate it. Put this in a pony, the hair scarf, and you could do this twisted on the top like the same method, but I'm just gonna show you a different method behind my head, and I'm gonna just twist it. And then I'm gonna take down my hair, and now I have like a flat little headband slash hair scarf moment. All right, so now onto barrettes, and I have this little container from the Container Store that I have my barrettes in. I also have a rectangle box in this gold finish. I'll link it down below as well. I love these babies. They're so helpful. The gold one has all my nail polishes. But if you saw my video the other day, you know that I do gel polish now. So I might need to clean out that box and put something more relevant in it. Anyway, barrettes. So I got a pack of like 15 barrettes on Amazon. It has like these tortoiseshell barrettes in this shape as well as this shape. And then it has pearl barrettes in this shape as well as the more rounded shape. And then it also has these pearl bobby pins. I have this tortoise barrette that's like a bow from J. Crew. This is like years ago, but adorable. And lastly, I co-own a small business. It's called Phrase, and we make custom crazy sunglasses, but we also make custom barrettes if you're in the market. So I have this one, which is like multicolored stars from Phrase, and then this one, which says drip drip. I typically like to do a side part, so my hair is getting really greasy from how much I've touched it. Okay, side part, take the barrette, take the hair above this ear, and then I do it pretty low. Because I think that any higher kind of looks weird. But you could use it to hold back your bangs, or just like to hold back the front of your hair. If you have your hair in the middle part, you could do one side like that. That's a cute look. I just find that people try to like make them seen so much by doing like this or like this. And like if that's your look, that's your look, but I just don't think that it's the sleekest or the most practical way of going about it, you know? I'm like, what are you really doing if you're just clipping a barrette that's just hanging next to your face? Like, I don't think you should do that. The last thing I want to show you is hair scarves. I have two different shapes to show you guys. This one is, this is a old scarf. It's my mom's. It's Ralph Lauren. Long rectangle, pretty thin. I'm gonna fold each end like that. So let me show you. Like that, you see? And then I fold it again. And then, give me a second. Let's split the hair again, like right 3 inches back behind the ears. Low pony that joint hair scarf. Alrighty, and then pull out the pony, and then you could pull the tails of the scarf over your shoulder, So cute. I love this. Can't really see my ear because I have some hair in front of it. And then I have that hair curling back. This is giving me big Daphne vibes. We love Daphne, like as in Scooby-Doo. And then lastly, I have this big square one, and I'm sure that you guys have seen these all over the place in this like Insta model TikTok girl hairstyle. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You might have guessed it. Separate your hair again. All right, now take your scarf. This is a square, which is what you want for this style. Fold it in half, diagonally, like that. If you feel like this is gonna be too much fabric in the back, just go ahead and fold the fabric back a time or two to where you think it's perfect. Here you can see I kind of rolled it a few times. So I'm gonna go ahead, take that around my neck, double knot it at the top of my head, pretty tight. Spin this baby around, take the points and pull them back. And then take out my pony. So I'm gonna pull the scarf a little bit over my ears, pull the hair around. That's the video all about hair accessories. Here's the mess I have on my bed now. Time to put all that back. But I seriously hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope that it helped you. If you have any questions ever about any type of hair accessory or video, or I don't know, how to style something, just let me know and I'll get to you in the comments. Or if you want me to make a whole video, girl, I'll make you a whole video. Just let me know. Thank you. Love you.